In this video, let's talk about how to fix cannot sign in with Google error. So if you're facing this issue within your Android device, in this situation, what you need to do is make sure your Google Chrome is updated. So just open up the Play Store, search for Google Chrome, and if you do see new updates available, make sure you tap on the update button. Secondly, what you could also do is clear out the cookies and cache of the Google Play services. So if you have the Google Play services already downloaded, so what you could simply do is tap and hold the app, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside, head over to storage and tap on the clear storage option. Now, if none of these solutions are still working out for you, then what you need to do in this case is revoke and grant re-access of your account. So you could just head over to the manage your Google account, either using your phone or using your laptop as well. And what you could do is just delete all of your connections and then reconnect again. So these are the few solutions that you could try out. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.